Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a stroke effect around the outline of a person in a video using CapCut Mobile. So here I have this video that I want to create a stroke effect. So what you need to do is just click on the video here on the timeline and find the remove BG option, remove background. This one, and just select the auto removal. Wait for the CapCut for the background is fully removed, okay, until this turns to green. Okay, after the background is removed, you can just click on stroke to create the stroke effect, and here just select your favorite stroke effect. So for example, I'm going to go with straight cut stroke here, and here you can adjust the size to your liking and also the color, but I'm going to just use the white color. And here you can also set the opacity. Now you can just go back, and if you want to change the background, you can just go to background, then select the background that you want for the video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.